In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build and set up an AI chatbot in Hubspot, all within just a few minutes. Whether you're an experienced marketer looking to streamline customer interactions or someone brand new to the world of AI chatbots, this step-by-step guide will help you set it up quickly and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to hubspot.com. Make sure you're on the official HubSpot site so you can access all the necessary tools. Once you're there, look for the login button at the top right corner and click it. Enter your account details to sign in. A HubSpot account yet? No worries, just create one before continuing. But if you already do, go ahead and log into your dashboard. Once you're inside, you'll land on your HubSpot homepage, your central hub for all things marketing, sales, and customer service. Now, we're heading straight to the automation section. This is where the magic happens. It's where you'll create automated workflows, including your chatbot. Look for the automation tab and click on it. Inside automation, find and select chat flows. Chat flows is the built-in tool that lets you create, manage, and customize your AI chatbot. No coding required. It's beginner-friendly and very intuitive, so you'll be building in no time. Next, click on Create Chat Flow. Here, HubSpot will ask you to choose where your chatbot will live. Select website so your chatbot can appear and interact directly with visitors on your site. This setup allows your chatbot to answer questions, guide users, and help them explore your products or services, all in real time. Once you've selected website, click Next to move forward. Now comes the fun part, customizing your chatbot. HubSpot will guide you through the chat flow settings, where you can adjust the chatbot's appearance, availability, and tone of voice. You can also set up automated responses, like greeting visitors, answering FAQs, or routing them to the right team member. Take a moment to make sure your chatbot style and language match your brand's personality. When you're satisfied with your configuration, click Create, and that's it. Your AI chatbot is now live and ready to assist visitors on your website. From here, you can always come back into HubSpot to fine-tune your chatbot, add new responses, or analyze how users are interacting with it. In minutes, you've set up a fully functional AI chatbot in HubSpot that can enhance customer support, generate leads, and provide a seamless experience for your visitors. Thanks for watching. And as always, happy chatbotting.